9 and AM 740 KCBS. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Okay, we are going. Alright, I don't know what's been going on with KQED. It has not been going lately. Finally, came before for the first time.
How cool is this? Not only do they get to react in real time,
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters in our area are testing the equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency such as flooding, high winds, or a chemical spill, official messages would have followed this tone. This station serves the Sacramento Valley and Sierra Nevada foothill counties. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Oh my God, I am exhausted for a moment. Ooh.
5:25 on the KMJ Ag Report. Let's find out from Kevin about today's weather forecast.
Bad. Look what I'm about to do. Oh, fuck you.
For tonight, partly cloudy and cold with lows dropping to 32 to 34 degrees across the valley. A freeze watch is in effect for this evening. For tomorrow, mostly sunny but continued cool with a high of 51. From the Fox 26 Weather Center for KMJ, I'm meteorologist Kevin Raymond. And right now in Fresno, it's 36 degrees, 39 in Porterville, 34 up in La Grande. And coming up at 5:32, that's when we check in with Joe Scott of Farm View. Right now, here's Carter Pierce with the ETP report. Good morning. The ETC for today in the Fresno
fucking
area
piece of
is expected to be
shit,
0.02 inches of water. Forecast ETC for the next 7 days in the Fresno area is 0.20 inches.
Oh, so now you do. Fuck you. Fuck you, bitch. Eat dick.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations and cable television companies serving Mariposa, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Kings, and Tulare counties. Equipment that can warn you of a life-threatening emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather, a 911 system failure, or other life-threatening condition, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
To review this information, visit JMLord's website.
One of the only times the enthusiasts were right about the time they were gonna go. So I usually still win some at 5:45 a.m. when kids be killing early. I'm not hearing KYNO, so yeah, KYNO is a KYNOGO.